Use case automated production bidirectional with energy data. Our use case automated production bidirectional with energy data builds on top of use case automated production bidirectional and extends its capabilities. We can not only send data and values directly to the machine, but also receive process values in real time from the machine at the start and at the end of a shop floor control. To demonstrate this, we use the following example. With the start of a shop floor control, two process values are captured, in this case temperature and total energy. And with the completion of the shop floor control, temperature and total energy are captured again. The delta between these two energy values results in a new value called energy consumed that is automatically calculated and stored as well. As a real-world application for this example, you can combine process data with a one-piece execution. So let's see this in action. In our example, we have a Siemens S7-300 natively connected to Force EDGE. Over the EDGE API, data is sent to the SAP DMC, where the signals are further processed. So how can values sent from the machine be processed and set into perspective in SAP DMC? First, let's take a look at the dashboard designer and see how process values can be visualized in SAP DMC. Here we open our current project. And we see two visualizations, one for temperature and one for total energy. And these gauges use the machine's input. On the left we have a tree view, and under real-time indicators we find our two values from the machine, which are simply dragged and dropped onto the corresponding visualizations. Set the representation mode at refresh time, and we are done. Then let's switch to the production operator dashboard. If we now start the machine, the SFC 4CAM107 is automatically started and the corresponding cloud process is executed, where two values for temperature and total energy are collected. We focus on the total energy value, which is in our case 24 for the initial value. As soon as the quantity event from the Force EDGE is received by the SAP DMC, the shop floor control 4CAM107 is completed, and according to its cloud process, the same two values are collected again. In our example, the delta between the initial and the final values for total energy is calculated and also stored in the newly created data point energy consumed. So if we now have a look at the data collection application in SAP DMC, we can display our data. We search for our SFC 4CAM107, execute the search, and then we can see all our collected data. And for energy consumed, we can see a value of 2, meaning total energy changed by a value of 2 between the initial and final measurement. The data collection also has powerful filtering capabilities. So for example, we could filter for energy consumed over all SFCs. To summarize this, with use case automated production bidirectional with energy data, we do not only have the machine signals for automated production, but also the bidirectional functionalities, which allow for combining process and metadata with a one-piece execution. So what are the additional values of our use case automated production bidirectional with energy data? Connect the 4 M's of manufacturing: man, material, method, and machine. Provide process values for traceability scenarios. And utilize consumption values to foster sustainability. And this concludes our use case automated production bidirectional with energy data.